All right. This is called Feelings. I dedicated it to one of my friends, but yeah. OMG, feelings. I hate them, but yet I can't shake them. Feelings for one person I used to think was absurd. I never knew how I felt until my feelings occurred. Hurt and pain from knowing that you can't be with a person, trying to say, oh well. I know being on this roller coaster of feelings is sure as hell gonna drag me through hell. And after I get off the ride, I still say, OMG, I still have feelings. No matter how I love, I get wounded, no healing. The feeling I have for you just won't go away even though we're not together. I find myself thinking of you every day. They say love is fake, and it always fails. I'm starting to think it's true because mine is in every detail. A text, a call, an occasional kiss. But it's your true love that I miss. You'll hold me tight, tuck me in, and then I feel my world won't end.